Saturday morning, November 12th, 2022. No FOMO. Good morning. It's been a crazy past 24 hours. I just woke up this morning and read that FTX was hacked for roughly $600 million. All right, we'll take a look here. Some are saying they think it's an inside job. But nonetheless, just the chaos keeps going. Tether actually blacklisted $31.4 million of USDT following the alleged hack. Okay. Um, so yeah, things are just not looking good over there. So I'll keep you updated as time goes on. All right, let's look at some price action. So this morning, Bitcoin is we're still trending down. Obviously, we're under the EMA ribbon. Okay, volume is decreasing as well, um, and momentum is low, very low. I'm actually surprised that prices aren't down further, considering what's been going on over the past couple of days. So, yeah, we on the day we look like we've descended down. Prices come up actually in the past couple of hours, but it looks like it's just kind of a blip on the map. Um, and I suspect prices will further continue going down. As far as near-term support, okay, I'm looking at about this level, 16, right exactly where we are right now. A little lower actually, so like $16,762. That area going down to $16,234. So that would be my next area of support if we were to fall. Now, if we were to move up, we, and this is just basically on the near future range, we have a bit of resistance and very low volume. So it could take a little. It would take a little while if we were to go up. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, I mean, so from last Saturday until today, so a week, we've just been on this downtrend. Um, yeah, it's just a nice series of red candles on the decline. Look at the RSI going wild over here. Wow. Okay, we got a little bit of momentum, negative momentum going down. And again, I mean, over the past almost 6 months, we've just been in this interesting range of from 25,000 going down to where we are now, roughly, well, actually less than 16,000. So something needs to break here soon, I'd imagine. Is this the bottom? I don't think so, but yeah, only time will tell. All right, so let's look at Ethereum. All right, same situation with Ethereum. Past 7 days, it's just negative decline, price lowering. Okay, we're currently at $1,256.80. The next areas of support, in my opinion, would be 1250 going down to $1,034 roughly. So keep an eye on that if we were to fall. And of course, I could fall even further down. And then if I'm going to look up going upward, we bit of resistance way under the EMA ribbon at current price levels. You also see the short-term charts showing well, we're on the end of a almost a near double top. Okay, and we're just bound ranged over the past 6 or so months. We're in a tight range from $2,025 down to say almost $20. So things are interesting right now in the markets, and I guess it's just a wait and see approach everyone should be taking. Volume, I mean, over the past 6 months, volume has been, when I compare it to the previous 6 months, volume's been up, which is interesting because price again is just in this range between 2,000 and roughly $1,000. Okay, so we're definitely still in the consolidation phase. If we don't, I mean, we should be falling further, considering we've just been consolidating. I mean, if we were to break out to the upside, that would be a heck of a struggle on price action. Let's see what's going on Ethereum today, hour by hour. Okay, so we're in a very tight range over the past couple of days. Roughly, well, we could even go further out, roughly about 1350 down to 1207. Okay, so we're in about $150 range here. We're down today, as of the sub recording, 2.30% on Ethereum. Volume has been declining over the past couple of hours, actually since yesterday, which is interesting. And RSI over the past couple of days is relatively similar to price action, so I don't see a divergence there. And then momentum has just been decreasing, especially when you look at the previous day, which would have been Thursday, compared to Friday and Saturday. Thursday momentum was very strong. You see this rip up and price action from 1100 up to 1347, double top, and we come down, then we come back up, come down, then we go back up, and then this has become a double top. This has become a decline in price after the local double top here. We will see, but again, we have low volume, so that's it's an interesting sign of things. Yeah, let's look at what do we want to look at? What's the Dixie doing? What's the dollar index up to? Oh wow. Okay. So let me get my thoughts here together. So Thursday, starting, go back to Thursday on the hour chart. We get a slight increase in price action, and then a steep decline here. And I'm wondering if that has any correlation with CPI, the CPI report that came out on Thursday, which I believe it does. And just a reminder, the CPI this past Thursday mentioned that inflation was a bit lower. Nothing to write home about, but it was negative. Gave the market some sort of positive news here. All right, so you see the price action decreasing. We're at $106.41. Um, EXY, and we're down. We ended it down at 1.41% negative. All right, so we come down on Thursday. Um, a slight increase, and then we come down. Then, interestingly, on Friday, we get a gap up. Okay, so to me, this is showing signs of uncertainty, slight signs of uncertainty, I should say, in the market, the DXY market. Then you get this about afternoon. Okay, so then you get this steep decline. All right, we're way under the EMA ribbon, and then this is on the hourly. Look at the RSI. The RSI mimicking price action up here. However, I do see a not slight, but I see a divergence between price action and RSI over the past day. The RSI is kind of almost flat. It's not completely flat. There's some bumps there, but it's not as steep as the price action here. And again, of course, many indicators, RSI included, tend to have a slow lag to price action, which is understandable. Okay, so then on the MACD, momentum is created, which results in a steep decline and momentum, and then just flat negative momentum towards the end of yesterday. So the dollar is doing some interesting things over the past couple of days here. Let's look at the daily on the dollar. Okay. Yeah, I mean, where do we go from here with the dollar? We could raise back up, play a solid, a tight range here over the next couple days, weeks, and then maybe shoot it back up to 112.50. But you're also risking a double top situation if we were to go back up. Now going down, I see the next area of support would be about $105, roughly $105, going down to $102.50. So yeah, so just to kind of wanted to highlight areas of support here. So yeah, I would say this range, roughly this range right here, right in here would be my areas of local support. And then if we were to drop further down, you'd be looking at under $100. All right. So let's jump back into crypto. Look at Solana. Solana has also been affected by the FTX situation. Okay. As we look at here going back to last week, we see a nice series of red candles coming down. we were above the EMA ribbon last Saturday, and we came crashing down past it. All right, as you can see, there's high volume here as well, high selling volume, selling pressure. It looks, well, price right now is $15.38. We're down 5.70% in Solana. Okay, you look at this sharp decline in the RSI. That's corresponding with price action as well. I mean, I believe this has further to fall though. We got a bit of a negative momentum here in the MACD, which I'm surprised there's not actually more momentum on the negative side here. Let's see here. Yeah, if I look at the hourly on Solana, we get, okay, so the end of Wednesday, you get this, it's the end of a series of red candles coming down. Okay, then starting Thursday, we start to come back up. We get back into the EMA ribbon area. Okay, but it looks like price starts to struggle with resistance, roughly around a little over $18. So then we can't break that above that level. So we start to come back down. Okay, and now we're back under the EMA ribbon on the hourly. Okay, yeah, we have a ton of resistance going up on on extremely low volume. And then this is all on the back end of tons of selling volume as well over the past week. Okay, so yeah, as of today, past couple hours, we're kind of in a very tight channel, and there's really no telling where this could end up. As far as areas of support, if we were to fall down, you're looking at between almost $16 and about $12.96. I see you get somewhat of a double bottom right here. Okay, and this would have been Thursday after the price decline, but it's double bottom on very small volume. It's just it's not a good sign, if you will. So yeah, this would be my area of support. And then yeah, the low on Solana, just in general over the past week, has been at roughly $12.68. So and then on the hourly, the MACD is momentum is extremely small, considering this after the bump up in momentum, which would have been Thursday. So yeah, Thursday we fall down to extremely low price level, come back up as the MACD indicates here, and then we just kind of flatline out here. But price action to me looks like that we're going to continue on a decline here. Let's check out what gold's doing. All right. So on the hourly, gold is we're moving up forward. Got a bit of nice volume here, nice positive volume as well. The RSI is there's a bit of a divergence between the RSI and price action over the past couple of hours or at the end of day yesterday. Also, we got a bit of low momentum here on the MACD as well. So there's a divergence between the MACD, RSI, and price action. Let's see, we're above the EMA ribbon as well. But I see there's a bit of resistance going up from 17. It's choppy resistance from 1760 going up to, roughly a little over 1775 here. So we shall see what happens starting next week on Monday. All right. And that will conclude this episode, this live stream of No FOMO. If you were just getting started here, so please subscribe, please like the content, and we will keep bringing more content to you.